How to unpin OneDrive from Quick Access. Do you want to clean up your Quick Access list? Here's how to unpin OneDrive in just a second. First of all, open File Explorer and look for the OneDrive shortcut under Quick Access. Just look at it right here. Right click on the OneDrive shortcut and click Unpin from Quick Access right here. The shortcut disappears from the left-handed menu instantly. So Quick Access is now more organized without the OneDrive link. And that's about it. If this video helped you in any way, or if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Smash that like